Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, in this video, I will show you how to make folder invisible on your Windows PC. Just like the one you have right here, there is a folder right here, but it is a invisible folder. How do you make it right here in your Windows PC? I'm going to use this folder here as an example. So right click on the folder, then go ahead and click on property. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on hidden. Click on Advanced tab. Then right here, make sure you click on Encrypt Content to secure data. Then come down below right here. On OK. And here, hit on Apply. This is going to pop up. Apply changes to this folder only. Check on this. Click on OK. Then hit on OK right here. Now the folder has been logged and hidden. Lastly, right click on the folder. Next thing you want to do is to go back to Properties. Go to Customize, change folder icon, then swipe this way until you are able to see. Go ahead and select on this, hit on OK, hit on Apply, then click on OK, just like so. Then you have it hidden right here. It's that simple. Just like what you have right here. Come back to the folder, right click on it, go to Property again, uncheck the hidden, click on Advanced tab, uncheck the Secure Encrypted, hit on OK, hit on Apply. Apply changes to only this folder, click on OK, and hit on OK. It's that simple. You have it right here. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to secure or clear your file on your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.